Hi everyone, my name is Tommy Gentile and I'm a signature artist here at the Wella studio. Today I'm going to be telling you about our new SHINEFINITY kits. Each kit is connected to some of our signature services using SHINEFINITY. Today we'll be talking about the Shimmer Melt Glaze kit, and you guessed it, it's connected to our Shimmer Melt Glaze service created by the one and only Patricia Nicole at Painted Hair on Instagram. The Shimmer Melt Glaze service is designed to create beautiful, soft, and seamless transitions within your client's color while creating beautiful natural dimension. And it's the perfect service to pair with any pre-lightening service in the salon using a number of our Blonde Noir products. Within the Shimmer Melt Glaze kit, you'll be receiving 4 of our bowl and brush activators, perfect for bowl and brush applications and real beautiful precision work. It also comes complete with some signature shades, a 04/07, a level 4 medium brown, natural warm brown, a level 9, 09/73, so that's going to be a warm brown gold, 00/00, our clear, and 09/61, a level 9 very light blonde, violet ash. These are some of our favorite shades to use with the Shimmer Melt Glaze service, and the kit is available now at wellastore.com. Be sure to head over and get yours. You won't want to miss out. The Shimmer Melt Glaze is definitely going to be a client favorite.